there you go, bumping down the street to the beat that is in your heart. At every turn, so self-assured, a slack kind of smile, never in a rush. When you walk by, heads turn around. I once was lost, but now I'm found. You take me to the moon. 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 You got a hop in your step, some hip in your stride. Nice and slow, slow and nice. You're moving with style. There you go, just bumping down the street to the beat that is in your heart. Every day, hoping to see you look back and give me a way that takes me to the moon. Take me to the moon. You take me to the moon. You take me to the nice and slow, slow and nice. You're moving with style. There you go, just bumping down the street to the beat that is in your heart. Every day, hoping to see you look back and give me a way that takes me to the moon. Take me to the moon. You take me to the moon. You take me to the
It's like a Saturday, 100 miles of interstate. Open windows on the road less traveled. Wind is blowing and I'm going north of 95. I feel the engine come alive. Like the first day of the summer, waking up under the sun. And I can feel it warm on my skin. Like open season on it for crazy dreaming. I see it all inside your eyes. Oh, just one look and I believe you're what it's like to feel free. Like I'm 10 feet off the ground. You put your arms around me, and I swear I hear the sound of crashing waves on the ocean, way out on the coast, and sea breeze play. It's not a mystery, I got a little history, taking chances on the edge of a reason. I like to feel the risk and know that I'm living it and giving all I have. You and me, we run together, feel the wind and go wherever. No, never look back, we ride our own track. I never realized that I could find myself so surprised. Oh, you're what it's like to feel free, like I'm 10 feet off the ground. You put your arms around me, and I swear I hear the sound of crashing waves on the ocean, way out on the coast, and sea breeze playing on the radio. Like my beating heart has finally been released. You're what it's like to feel like I'm liberated, like my world's changing, and it's beautiful as far as I can see when you're with me. When the moon rises up in the sun,